So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals offering a sweet deal on price. So once you open up Zumper, I want you to go to the location and select your location. So I'll just use New York City as an example. Once this is selected here, I want you to go to the top left in between highest rated and pets and then press on deals. Then just go down to where it says sweet deal. So this is basically referring to offers that they claim is a quote unquote sweet deal in regards to price or whatever. Make sure that is selected and then press on view results. Now, what you're going to be seeing is a variety of different listings that are offering a quote unquote sweet deal. So you can go ahead and explore those for yourself. But very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find rentals offering a sweet deal on price on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.